Didi, I have to ask you this. What does this victory mean for the country? That is like the key question that everybody is asking. Bengal has saved the country, you said the other day. Bengal has shown spine, you said the other day. The battle for Bengal turned into a battle of Mr. Narendra Modi against Ms. Mamta Banerjee. What lesson should BJP learn from this, and what have you learned? That the BJP is vanquishable, can be defeated?
Yes, they can be defeated because it is the people's choice, and people have shown the way. And in a democracy, you should not show this audacity or the egoist and all this ego. You should not. The democracy election commission must see the people's democracy, what we are lagging today. It is totally behind, and election commission should not allow the rigging or anything. I will request the election commission to go for electoral reforms, and they should not back up only BJP. They should back up all the political parties, and they should play their Raj Dharma in an open manner. And BJP, I am telling you, they are really the party. I am telling you, the communal party. It is all the time their feelings is to create the communal tribal. They are the troublemonger people, and they are creating all the confusion, the fake video, the fake word, and they are misusing the power, central power, the agency's power. They are misusing the central power, the Home Ministry's power, and every time what they think that there is no meaning of the federalism. They want to demolish the federalism. They want to bulldoze the federal character. That we are not. That public gave a befitting reply, because BJP, what they are doing, even they are not allowing the universal vaccination to the people of this country when COVID is in so serious situation. Where is the oxygen? Now they are not giving the oxygen to the people. Even the people are suffering every day the COVID situation. I appeal to them that give COVID universal vaccination to all. Even I said that we are willing to pay for the vaccine. So you send us the vaccine. That also they are not giving. I think they need oxygen more now. They need political oxygen now more.
Thank you, Didi. But there's one strange thing that is happening. BJP has lost in Bengal, in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, and in recent assembly elections too, it has not done very well. How do you explain the paradox, however, of BJP not doing so well in the state, but Mr. Modi doing it in the center? That's right. But in the center, Didi,
only to defeat the political parties, only the vendetta is to defeat all the political parties, all the opposition boys, and only to work for only BJP party. That is not the government mandate. That is not the government agenda. Government agenda must be to work for the people, the work for the country. They have not worked for the country. Not a single one work. If you see the price of the gas, it is 1,000 rupees. Diesel price every day increasing. The petrol price every day increasing. They are going for privatization, wholesale to BSNL, to civil aviation, to all. So how there will be more than 10 crores unemployed people? They have not done for employment anything. They have not done any development work, anything. Even they are not giving the oxygen to the people. Even they cannot give, even because of their negligence. 6 months time, this COVID second, it became so worst, and this thing is so dangerous, and so many people died, and we feel sad for that. I know so many people, even the young generation are also dying.